Hello and welcome to the Power Bank Expert YouTube channel. Today we're going to have a look at the INIU BI B7 power bank, which is a magnetic power bank that has a 6000 mAh capacity and that can wirelessly charge your smartphone. So on the front of the box you can clearly see the power bank image and then the power bank name over here, the INIU logo. On the sides there's not much information, and on the back of the box just some information regarding manufacturing details. So besides the product image and product name, not that much information about the power bank itself on the box. So let's quickly open it up and see what we have inside. So first off, we have this kind of business card. Then we have the user manual with details about the power bank in different languages. We can also find a carrying pouch that you can use to take the power bank with you and protect it from scratches. And inside the pouch there's a charging cable, which is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. And the last item out of the box is the power bank itself. Let's open it up and have a closer look. So looking at the front side of the power bank, we can see the wireless charging pad here, and underneath it there's a tagline that says designed by INIU. At first sight I would say that it has a minimalistic and luxurious look to it, and while the front of the power bank has gray color, if we look at the rest of the body, that's black, so it comes in this two-toned color body. And at the back side we can see that it comes with foldable phone stand. So basically you can use it to put it on a table and then prop up your phone next to the power bank and maybe use your phone while it's being charged wirelessly via the magnetic charging pad. And over here on this side we can see the power button and the LED charging lights. And if I were to press the power button, we can see that the first 3 out of the first 4 LED lights are lighting up, which means that this power bank is charged somewhere between 50 and 75%. And then the last LED light that you can see green is the one that indicates that the wireless charging pad is currently active. So this is the one to look for if you plan to charge your phone wirelessly. Now you see it turn itself off, so now it's not charging anymore. But if you were to attach the phone on it and start charging, then it would be on. And then on this other side we have the USB Type-C charging port, which is a bidirectional charging port, meaning that it can both charge the power bank and that you can use it to charge another device using a charging cable. Now in terms of charging speeds, the wireless charging pad can deliver up to 7.5 watts, which is pretty standard when it comes to MagSafe power banks, while the USB Type-C port can deliver a maximum output of 20 watts, which is more than enough to fast charge basically any smartphone out there. And another thing to mention here is that you can charge this power bank using a fast charger, and it will reach 100% capacity in just about 2 hours or so, which is pretty fast, but it is to be expected considering that it has a capacity of only 6000 mAh. In terms of size, I would say that this is a very compact power bank. You can see it here next to the palm of my hand. It's a power bank you can easily handle and grasp. I would say that you can carry it in your pocket without it causing any discomfort, not to mention in a bag or a backpack or something like that. It's something you can take along with you and forget that you have it. Definitely you cannot rely on it in terms of charge for more than 1 day. So basically, depending on the size of your phone, you'd expect to get from this between 1 and maximum, I would say maximum 2 charges of your smartphone. So this is a power bank to use on a daily basis, but not something you can rely on for several days at a time. And size-wise, it's actually quite compact, even compared to other similar power banks. This is why, let me put it next to this one, which is also magnetic charging power bank by RAV Power. And you can see the INIU is slightly smaller, and in terms of thickness, maybe the RAV Power is a little bit thinner. However, this one only comes with 5000 mAh, while the INIU comes with 6000 mAh. So basically a more compact power bank with a larger capacity. I would say that the INIU here is the clear winner. And yeah, this was the unboxing and review of the INIU BI-B7 wireless power bank. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time.